Okay guys, welcome back, and from now on in this tutorial we'll be talking about app router. So basically we had this example already of with page.js of routing. So if I just head over to the site and let it just open, okay, so we can see that everything was working fine and nice. So but basically one of the disadvantages of a page.js router is that just in case you had something in here, okay, so maybe you had something like an image out here, or maybe just a whole new section with a which may be just very large in size in itself, and you had this this section out here. So what would happen is that even though you haven't clicked on the tab itself, still the page would just go on and fetch that link, and which would make the data usage of your website very heavy. So if I just put in an image from just any random URL, just take a URL like I just head over to that and I just search for any image. So maybe just we'll go with this image, the first image itself. So I'll just open this in a new tab and I'll copy it. Okay. So now we can see that the name of this image is abstract/7.jpg. Okay. So I'll just give this image a source of like. Okay. So now we are just completed with this image, and now what I'm going to show you that even though I haven't clicked on the contact tab out here, still the image would be loaded. So you can basically get an idea from there that even though you aren't using or haven't switched to a particular tab, still the data usage of your website will just keep on growing unless the whole website itself has been downloaded. So I'll just go ahead and kind of refresh again. Okay, so the name of this image was like abstract/7.jpg. So I'll just go into the network tab and type in 7.jpg. okay, so you can see basically out here that even though we were in this users tab out here, still the image has been loaded. So now you can get a clear idea of what I was speaking about. So to basically get over this problem, we'll have to use another router which can actually work with Polymer, and this is known as app router. So in this tutorial I'll just show you how to install app router. So it's actually very easy, and it's all done basically with npm. All you have to do is just go over to the console, and I'll just do it out here itself. So just in the terminal, I'll just clear the terminal, okay, and just all you have to paste in is that bower install app router --save. So what the --save command out here would do is that it will go into the bar.json file and add a new dependency out here which is known as app router, as you can see here. So if I just zoom in a bit, I don't know which one works out here. Okay. So I'll just try. So actually maybe you may not be able to see, but it will just go ahead and add a dependency out here which I have kind of marked out here. And one more thing that you want to do is that go into that app router, and one more thing that you'll have to download that we'll be using in this tutorial is that there's a push state router. Okay, so I'll just search for it currently. Okay, so here's the push state router, and what you want to do is just go over to this site, or just click on the link out here in the push state anchor, and you just have to install this also. So to just install it, you will just have to do the same thing but with a different name out here, and that will add a second dependency to the file. So after you have done a bar install app router, just do a bar install push state anchor and do a --save at the end, which will add a dependency to the bar.json file along with it. So that's basically it for this tutorial, guys, and from the next tutorial onwards we'll be seeing how app router works and how amazing apps can be built with app router. So definitely stay tuned for the next tutorial, guys. Like the tutorials if you like them, and dislike the tutorials if you dislike them, and please subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thank you.